In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions to remove the fake human verification alerts that come from the site computerads.com. It's a pop-up that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special Allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are humans and not robots. The reality is that to click on Allow button is a serious mistake, and if you do that, your browser will be hijacked. This means, first of all, you will be forwarded to some other dangerous sites of a similar nature. Also, you will start getting the great multitude of advertisements in the right part of the computer screen. Some of these ads you can see displayed already. So if you have clicked on Allow button, that was surely a mistake, but it needs to be immediately fixed. Otherwise, you will start receiving these ads randomly on your screen. So to remove these ads, access the menu, Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications, and research the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You'll find this computerads.com, so remove it from the list and remove other malicious sites if you find them. To make sure that your device is free of any other concealed threats, I would strongly advise researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scanning, the program will give you the complete summary of the threats which were revealed, and you will be able to remove these threats. Some of them can be removed manually, but we do recommend upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to keep your data always safe, secure, and always protected. Combo Cleaner will protect your entire system from all other possible malware attacks.